So here it is given, find divergence of f and curl of f, where f vector is given as del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So first I write the given thing. So what is given to you? F vector is equals to del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, I'll solve this only first because here del is given. So what is the definition of del? We know that del is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into this form, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So del is given this into this. Okay, so I know if it is just into, how to multiply. Directly take this in for the each term, that is I into dou by dou x of this whole thing, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus j into dou by dou y of this whole term, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Next, plus k into dou by dou z of this whole term, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So I have done nothing, normal multiplication, this into this plus this into this plus this into this. So now here the differentiation is with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of x with respect to x cube? That is 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 3x square, plus x with y cube, alphabets are different, I told you, then differentiation is 0, here also it is 0, minus. So here 3xyz it is, that is a normal multiplication, but with this it is only with respect to x, so 3yz will be out, so only dou by dou x of only x will remain, plus j into, here it is only with respect to y, so x will be 0, y means 5 cube means again 3y square, z will be 0, minus, same thing, here it is with respect to y, so 3xz will be out, because it is multiplication it will not become 0, dou by dou y of only y plus k into, okay, again with this is 0, this is 0, only z will remain, with the z is nothing but 3z square differentiation, minus again here 3xy will be out, so dou by dou z of only z. So finally we get the answer 3x square minus, this is 0, I will not take, minus 3yz, x with respect to x is 1, plus j into 3y square minus 3xz, y with respect to y is 1, plus k into 3z square minus 3xy, z with respect to z is also 1. So we get this answer. So this is nothing but the given f vector. Okay, this is the given f vector. Since here it was del, so I need to solve. Next I will go to the question. We need to find divergence of f. So what is the formula for divergence of f? Divergence of f formula is nothing but del dot f. You know this, right? So what we have got, del we know what is del. Definition, I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Dot product of f vector. What is the f vector we had got here? At the last, that I am going to write here. Okay, the f vector is, wait a minute. Okay, so the f vector what we had got is, okay, that is I into 3x square minus 3yz plus j into 3y square minus 3xz plus k into 3z square minus 3xy. So this is nothing but your f vector whatever we had got. Now find a dot product. You know how to find dot product. Only take the coefficients of I plus j and k. So here coefficient of I is dou by dou x. Here coefficient of I is this, that is 3x square minus 3yz plus here coefficient of j is dou by dou y, and here coefficient of j is 3y square minus 3xz plus here coefficient of k is dou by dou z, here coefficient of k is 3z square minus 3xy. Now differentiate. So first is nothing but 3 is out, differentiation of dou by dou x of only x square minus, here no x term is present, so 0, plus, here first same thing, 3 is out, dou by dou y of only y square, here no y term is present, so differentiation is 0, plus, here same thing, 3 is out, dou by dou z of only z square, here no z term is present, so differentiation is 0, so 3 into differentiation of x with respect to x is 2x plus 3 into, here it is y with respect to y square is 2y plus 3 into, here again it is 2z. So 6x plus 6y plus 6z you get. This is nothing but divergence of f. Okay. Next you need to find curl of f. I'll find here because it will require the whole page, I feel. Okay. So curl of f is nothing but del cross f formula. So for the curl, I told you we take the determinant form, that is I, j, k. First two rows will be always same. First row is I, j, k. Second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. And third row will be coefficients of f vector. What are the coefficients of I, j, k? This was f vector, right? Or I can tell you here it was f vector. So we had got f vector as this. So take only I, j, k. What is I here? 3x square minus 3yz. So right here 3x square minus 3yz. Next, what is j here? 3y square minus 3xz. And what is k here? 3z square minus 3xy. Okay. Now find. Okay. You know how to find. It is first I into this and this get eliminated, this into this, that is dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus this into this minus this into this, that is dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz. Done. Minus j into this is plus, first we take next minus, next plus, this and this eliminate, so dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy minus of dou by dou z of 3x square minus 3yz plus k into this and this eliminates, dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz. So now differentiate. Here you see y differentiation of first term, here no y term is there, so it is 0. Here there is one y term, so 3x will be out. So dou by dou y of y. Don't put bracket here, minus. Here if you want you can put bracket, here you don't put. Here no z term, so it is 0 minus. Here 3x will be out. Z with respect to only z will remain. Minus j into. First here there is no x, so 0 minus, here there is x, so 3y will be out, dou by dou x of only x minus of, here also with respect to z it is no z term, 0 minus, here there is z, so 3y will be out, dou by dou z of z plus k into, here first term there is no x, so 0 minus, here there is x, so 3z will be out, dou by dou x of only x minus, here no y term, 0, here there is only one term y, so 3z will be out, dou by dou y of y. So finally you get minus 3x, y with respect to y is 1, minus sign, minus into minus is plus 3x, z with respect to z is 1, minus j into minus 3y, okay, x with respect to x is 1, so I am not writing that, here minus into minus again plus 3y, z with respect to z is 1 plus k into, here minus 3z, x with respect to x is 1, minus into minus is again plus 3z, y with respect to y differentiation is 1. So plus 3x minus 3x is nothing but 0 into y, minus 3y is again 0 and plus k into is again 0. So finally you get the answer 0. So curl of f vector, you get the answer 0. This is how you find divergence of f and curl of f. Thank you.